Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been thinking about how I can document my daily lesson. I feel like throughout the day we'll learn something new, but because of stress and all the tasks that we have to overtake throughout the day, we usually forget the lesson that we learned throughout the day before going to bed. And I was thinking, what if I record what one thing that I learned throughout the day that really impacted the way I thought throughout the day, and try to post on YouTube, hoping to bring value to people. And today I was thinking about how I started off YouTube in 2019 during my freshman year, and it really took me a very long time to be consistent on it. Not because I can't post content on YouTube, but because I was more worried about what would people think of me. Trying, after graduating, I was going to be an accountant, and thinking of working in a corporate environment and being a YouTuber, it doesn't really sound professional in a way. And I was overthinking about what would my employer think of me, what would people around me think of me, knowing that I make YouTube videos and stuff like that. And I was thinking for them, how they will perceive me, instead of sitting down and telling myself like, hey, you are doing something that's positive, you are making content that are positive, your content don't have anything negative. Why would you feel some type of way? Sometimes we sit and create our own problem within our mind that ended up causing us not taking action to our dreams. You know what I mean? So it's very important to sit down and really dig inside and be able to sit down and really understand that we are here for a limited amount of time, and it's our responsibility to sit down and really enjoy this life, and really try to be the best that we can be, and really tackle as many opportunities as possible, because you would never know. Maybe YouTube is the path, maybe it's not, but guess what, by the time I'm 90, I don't want to sit down and regret that I did not give YouTube a shot. So that's pretty much what I had for today. I appreciate you for sticking along, and that will mean a lot to me, as I'm going to be posting every single day about what I've learned throughout the day. If you can go ahead and subscribe, let me know what are the things that you create in your own mind that stops you from trying to pursue things that means a lot in your heart. So without further ado, I'll catch you on the next video, which is tomorrow. Let's go.
I just wanna move it.